Have you ever looked in a mirror after 60 and noticed your skin just doesn't bounce back the way it used to? Or that your once thick hair feels thinner and weaker with each passing year? Most people are told this is just normal aging. But what if I told you there's a dark-colored, powerful drink? One that seniors in Asia have quietly enjoyed for centuries, that rebuilds collagen, smooths wrinkles, restores hair strength, and even helps you sleep more deeply at night. I've spent over 20 years helping seniors fight back against the visible signs of aging, without expensive creams or risky pills. And time after time, I've seen the same truth. The foods you choose every day matter far more than the products you buy. So today, I'll show you how to make this black drink using just 4 everyday foods. Trusted for centuries in traditional cultures, and now confirmed by modern science. These ingredients work together to strengthen your skin, hair, and energy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare it, the best way to use it, and a few warnings to make sure you get the most out of it, starting today. Ingredient 1, black beans. Just 2 tablespoons. Black beans are packed with amino acids, the raw material your body uses to make collagen. Collagen is like the scaffolding under your skin. When we're young, it's strong and full, which keeps our skin firm. But after age 60, collagen levels drop sharply. That's why wrinkles and sagging seem to appear overnight. Black beans help refill that gap. In fact, research shows their protein profile is nearly identical to animal protein, but without the heaviness. Many people notice that when they add black beans to their diet, their skin feels plumper and their nails and hair start growing stronger. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing fewer deep lines, not from a cream, but from nourishing your body from the inside out. Ingredient 2, black rice, also called forbidden rice. Add just 1 tablespoon. This ancient grain was once reserved only for emperors because of its healing power. It's rich in anthocyanins, the same antioxidants that give blueberries their deep color. But here's the secret. Black rice has even higher antioxidant levels than blueberries. What do antioxidants do? They protect your skin from the free radical damage that causes wrinkles, sunspots, and dullness. They also reduce inflammation inside the body, which is why many people say they feel less achy and tired after adding black rice to their meals. Think about it. More stable energy, brighter skin, and a stronger defense against aging. All from a spoonful of rice you can easily blend into this drink. Ingredient 3, black sesame seeds. Third, black sesame seeds. Use 1 tablespoon. Don't underestimate these tiny seeds. In traditional medicine, black sesame is known as a food for longevity. Modern studies back this up. They're rich in calcium, magnesium, and especially healthy oils that nourish both the skin and the scalp. For many seniors, thinning hair is one of the most frustrating parts of aging. Black sesame feeds the hair follicles from within, making strands stronger and more resilient. Some people even report that regular use brings back some of their natural hair color. On top of that, sesame's natural oils keep your skin soft and hydrated, which means fewer fine lines and less dryness, especially in colder months. Ingredient 4, walnuts, about 5 or 6 halves. Walnuts are a true brain and body food. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats that reduce inflammation. Why does that matter for aging? Because inflammation is the hidden cause of stiff joints, dull skin, and even memory lapses. By adding walnuts, you're not just helping your skin stay smooth. You're also supporting flexible joints, a brighter mood, and a sharper memory. Now, you're probably wondering, How do you actually turn these into a drink? Stay with me, because in the next part, I'll show you exactly how to prepare it step by step. Now that you know the 4 powerful ingredients, black beans, black rice, black sesame seeds, and walnuts, let's turn them into the actual drink. The beauty of this recipe is how simple it is. No special powders, no fancy machines. Just everyday kitchen tools you already have. Step 1. Wash and soak the ingredients. Start by rinsing 2 tablespoons of black beans, 1 tablespoon of black rice, and 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds under cold water. Why rinse? It removes any dust and makes the nutrients easier for your body to absorb. Then, place them in a bowl, cover with water, and let them soak overnight. If you don't have that much time, even 3 to 4 hours will make a difference. Soaking softens the beans and rice, reduces compounds that cause bloating, and allows your body to unlock more of their collagen-boosting power. Quick check. If you've ever skipped soaking beans and ended up with stomach discomfort, let me know in the comments. I've been there too. Step 2. Boil for better digestion. Next, transfer your soaked beans, rice, and sesame seeds into a small pot. Add about 2 cups of fresh water. Bring it to a gentle boil. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the beans are soft and the rice has opened slightly. This step makes the drink much smoother on your stomach, especially if you're over 60 and digestion isn't as strong as it used to be. You don't need to overcook, just enough to release the nutrients into the water. Step 3. Blend with walnuts. Once the beans and rice are soft, pour everything, liquid included, into a blender. Now, add 5 to 6 walnut halves. Blend on high until smooth. The walnuts will add a creamy texture, healthy fats, and that nutty taste that makes this drink enjoyable, not just healthy. If you want it sweeter, you can add half a banana, a couple of dates, or even a drizzle of raw honey. But keep it natural. Remember, sugar ages the skin, so less is more. Cusick check. What would you add for sweetness? Banana, dates, or nothing at all? Share in the comments. I'm curious how you'd make it your own. Step 4. Strain or keep it whole. Once blended, you have 2 choices. If you like it smooth, pour the mixture through a fine strainer or cheesecloth. This gives you a silky, milk-like drink. If you prefer more fiber, skip the straining and drink it whole. The texture will be thicker, more like a smoothie. Both options are powerful. It just depends on your taste and digestion. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Finally, pour your black collagen drink into a glass. For extra flavor, sprinkle a few sesame seeds on top or add a dash of cinnamon. Not only does it taste great, but cinnamon also helps balance blood sugar. If you're still watching, that means you're serious about your health. Make sure you hit subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss new recipes. So that's it. 4 ingredients, a quick soak, a gentle boil, a blend with walnuts, and you've got a powerful collagen-boosting black drink ready to enjoy. But here's the thing. The timing of when you drink it matters almost as much as what's in it. Coming up, I'll share the best way to use this drink in your daily routine, plus a real-life story from someone who felt the difference in just weeks. When to drink it? The best time to drink this is in the morning, ideally before breakfast. Why? Because your stomach is empty and your body is most ready to absorb nutrients. That means more of the collagen-building amino acids and antioxidants actually reach your cells instead of being wasted. If mornings don't work for you, the next best time is mid-afternoon when energy usually crashes. Instead of coffee or sugary snacks, this drink gives you a natural lift without jitters or a blood sugar spike. How much to drink? You don't need a huge glass. About 1 cup 200 to 250 milliliters is enough. Think of this drink as a powerful supplement made from food, not something you need to gulp in large amounts. Consistency matters more than quantity. A small cup every day beats the big glass once in a while. How long before results show? Now, this is important. Don't expect overnight miracles. Most people start noticing changes in 3 to 4 weeks. Softer skin, stronger nails, less shedding when they comb their hair. By 6 to 8 weeks, deeper benefits show. Fine lines begin to soften. Energy levels stay steady. And many people say they look less tired in the mirror. Think of this like planting seeds. You don't see the tree the next day, but with daily care, the growth is inevitable. Let me share a quick story. One woman who tried this, let's call her Maria, was 64 and frustrated. Her hairbrush was full of broken hair every morning. She decided to try this drink daily for a month. At first, nothing big happened, but by week 3, she noticed her nails weren't splitting anymore. By week 5, her daughter commented, "Mom, your skin looks brighter." And best of all, Maria said she didn't need her afternoon coffee anymore. She felt steady energy right into the evening. That's what this drink can do when you stick with it. Extra tip, pairing with other habits. Here's a bonus tip. If you really want to maximize results, pair this drink with 2 simple habits. First, drink enough water during the day. Hydrated skin always looks younger. Second, get 15 minutes of gentle movement, even a walk. This improves circulation, which helps deliver the nutrients from this drink to your skin and hair. Small actions like these multiply the benefits. So, to recap, drink 1 cup daily, ideally in the morning, stay consistent for at least 4 weeks, and pair it with simple healthy habits. That's the formula for real results. But before you start, there are a few warnings and safety tips you need to know. Because while this drink is natural, it's not for everyone. I'll cover those next, so stay with me. Warning 1, digestive sensitivity. If you have a sensitive stomach, especially to beans or rice, start with a smaller serving. Instead of a full cup, begin with half a cup every other day. Once your body adjusts, you can increase. This avoids bloating or gas, which can happen if you suddenly add a lot of fiber and antioxidants at once. Warning 2, allergies and intolerances. This drink contains nuts from the walnuts. If you have a tree nut allergy, you must skip the walnuts and use flaxseed or chia seeds instead. Both are rich in omega-3s and still support collagen, though the taste will be different. Never force your body to accept something it clearly rejects. Warning 3, chronic conditions. If you have kidney problems, diabetes, or are on medication for blood pressure, check with your doctor before drinking this daily. Black beans and black rice are rich in potassium and magnesium, which can interact with certain medications. It's rare, but it's always wise to double-check if you're on long-term prescriptions. Extra tip, storage and freshness. Here's another thing people ask. Can I make this drink ahead of time? Yes, you can prepare a larger batch and store it in the fridge for up to 2 days. Just make sure to keep it in a glass container with a lid. Shake before drinking, since natural ingredients may settle at the bottom. But honestly, fresh is always best. The nutrients are most potent when consumed the same day. Many people don't realize their skin, hair, and energy issues aren't just about age. They're about nutrition gaps. If you're tired of spending on creams that only work on the surface, this drink gives your body the building blocks from the inside out. And trust me, you're not alone. Thousands of people are frustrated with thinning hair, dull skin, or fatigue. But small daily habits like this drink can flip the script. If you've wasted money on creams that didn't work, comment me too. You'll be surprised how many others here feel the same. So here's your plan. Gather your 4 black ingredients, prepare your first batch tonight, and start tomorrow morning. Stay consistent for 4 weeks and notice the difference. Smoother skin, stronger hair, more steady energy. Don't just watch, try it, because knowledge without action changes nothing. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, so it reaches more people who need natural solutions. And follow for more simple, no-pill recipes that target real problems like wrinkles, thinning hair, low energy, and more. I share natural remedies and food-based solutions that actually work, so you don't waste time or money on empty promises. Your health is your wealth, and it starts with what you put inside your body. So make your first glass of the black collagen drink today, and take that first step toward wrinkle-free skin, stronger hair, and all-day energy. Remember, aging is natural, but suffering is optional. With the right foods, you can keep your skin glowing, your hair strong, and your energy steady well into your golden years. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant, and stay pill-free.